Hi, good evening. Good evening. Host sir, kindly make it as a full screen, sir. Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes,
Sir,
sir, audible. Please continue.
kindly make this as a full screen, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, yes, thank you, thank you. Okay, students, today we will start with the aptitude part. I already gave the introduction for ratio and proportion. Hope you people remember that, right? Ratio and proportion. Yes. Okay. So, and in Infosys, the ratio and proportion, and followed by allegation and mixture, and these are all one of the important topic. Okay. So, we'll start with that basic allegation and mixtures problem. We'll start with basic allegation and mixture problem. Then we'll go for if time permits, today we plan to cover ratio, proportion, percentage, allegation, and mixture. If time permits, we will go for permutation and combination also. Okay. Yes. Allegation and mixtures. Allegation and mixtures. So mixing of two or three more quantities. Okay. So before that, we want to see few basics. I think in your class, did I explain profit or loss basics? Did I explain profit or loss basics? On that day while I am taking ratio and proportion percentage, did I explain that profit or loss basic? Yes, right? Okay. Then we can start. Okay, allegation and mixtures. So mixing are two or more elements, sir. How we are going to mix, sir? Okay, listen, listen. I am having two different solution. Okay, I am having two different solution. One solution was in the container one. Okay, and the worth of this solution is 15 rupees. Worth of this solution is 15 rupees per liter. I am having 3 liters now. I am having 3 liters with me. Okay, and this is container 2. Okay, and it is having 5 liters, and this is a 5 liters or 2 liters. You can take like 2 liters, and this value is 10 rupees per liter. 10 rupees per liter. Okay, I am having two solutions. Listen carefully. If you are clear in basic, then you can easily solve a lot of problems. Okay, so this solution and this worth is 15 rupees. Here this solution is 10 rupees per liter. This solution I am having 15 rupees and I am having 3 liters. Now what I am going to do now, what I am going to do means I am going to mix these two solutions. I am going to mix these two solutions in new container. So this is a container 3. Okay, now can you tell me this container 3 will have how many liters now? This container 3 will have how many liters? Very good, huh? 5 liters. Okay, what is the rate of 1 liter? What must be the rate of 1 liter? what will be the rate of 1 liter? Okay, that how we can find that. Listen, 1 liter is 15 rupees na. 3 liters how much pa? 1 liter is 15 rupees na. 3 liter how much? 45 rupees. Okay, so this is 45 rupees. One solution 45 rupees. Here this is 2 liters and the worth is 10 rupees per liter. So what is the total value of this container? The solution of this container. What is the total worth of the solution of this container? 1 liter is 10 rupees. 2 liter it is 20 rupees. 2 liters it is 20 rupees. Okay. If I mix with these 2 liters, if I mix with 2 liters, so 45 rupees and 20 rupees going to mix, and what is the total worth? Total worth 65. 65 is for how many liters? 1 liter or 5 liters? 65 is for 5 liters. Not total worth. We are talking about total worth. So 5 liter is 65 rupees. Now what is 1 liter value? 65 divided by 5, it is 13 rupees. 55 and divided by 5, it is 13 rupees. Okay, listen. I mixed 15 rupee and 10 rupee and I got 13 rupees worth mixture. Okay, these are all the things. Are you clear? These are all the things. Are you people clear? No, 10 and 15, if you mix, you won't get 12.5 because different ratio. So you have to multiply this two. Okay, shall we go for the first question? Shall we go for the first question? Okay, kindly note the question. Kindly note the question. If you noted the question, just give me a message. Yes. Noted, sir. It's noted. Producer of two rice mixers. Producer of rice mixes two variety of rice from two field, one costing 18 rupees, other costing 25 rupees in the ratio 5:3. Okay, so one rice is 18 rupees and another rice is 20 rupees, and he mixed in the ratio 5:3. He mixed in the ratio 5:3. Okay, now we'll see this. Okay, listen. The rice producer mixes two variety of rice, 18 rupees and 20 rupees in the ratio 5:3. That means 5 kg from here, 5 kg from here. Okay, 3 kg from here. Okay. So what is the total worth of this 5 kg? What is the total worth of this 5 kg? 90 rupees, right? What is the total worth of this 5 kg? 90 rupees. What is the total worth of this 20 kg? It is 60 rupees. Okay. So what is the total worth? 150 rupees. What is the total worth? 150 rupees. That 150 rupees is for how many kgs? This 150 rupees is for how many kgs? 8 kgs. Okay. Suppose if you want for 1 kg na, divided it by 8. Divided it by 8. Are you clear why we are dividing it by 8? Because this total is for 8 kg and we need it for 1 kg. So we are dividing it by 8. Okay, so it is 18.75 rupees. Okay, 18.7. Okay, so cost price of new rice. Cost price of new rice. So cost price of new rice is 18.75. Okay. Yes, listen. So what is the selling price? Selling price given is 21 rupees. And you know the profit percentage formula. What is profit percentage? Selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. 21 minus 18.25. What will come? 18.75. 21 minus 18.75. It is 2.25 divided by 18.75. It is 2.25 divided by 18.75. Okay. Yes, if you are able to divide fastly, no problem. Otherwise, go by 5 multiplication divisions. Okay, listen. 225 divided by 1875. We can divide this by 25. We can divide this by 25. Okay, if you divide by 25, this is 9 times. If you divide by 25, this is 7, 5, 75 times. Again, if you divide this now, this is 3 times and this is 25 into 100. If you divide by 4, 3 fours are 12 percentage. So what is the profit percentage? What is the profit percentage? 12 percentage. What is the profit percentage? 12 percentage. Are you clear? Are you clear? Okay. Yes, kindly note the next one. Kindly note the next one. Fast, fast, make it fast. Okay, listen. Listen. 4 kg of metal contains 1 by 5 copper and rest is zinc. 1 by 5 copper and rest is zinc. Another 5 kg of metal contain 1 by 6 copper and rest is zinc. The ratio of the copper and zinc in the mixture of these two metal. Okay, listen. What is the difference between previous question and this question? What is the difference between previous question and this question? Previous question, they are going to mix the rice. Here it is rice, here it is rice, they are forming new rice. Here it is rice, here it is rice, they are forming new rice. Okay. Here also, they are forming metal 1, metal 2, and they are mixing. Metal 1, metal 2, they are mixing. But in metal, they are giving as a combination of copper and zinc. They are giving as a copper and zinc. Yes, mixing element have two subdivisions. Last time they are simply selling that mixing rice ra. Here they are mixing copper zinc with another copper zinc. Okay, here one mixture, here one mixture. These two mixtures combinedly formed another mixture. There, element forming mixture. But here, mixture forming new mixture. Okay, this is a difference. This is a difference. Are you able to understand? Previous one material, another material combined form a mixture. Here, one mixture, another mixture combined, getting a new mixture. Okay, listen. So, listen. Sir, copper is 1 by 5 now. What about zinc? Copper 1 by 5 now. Listen, totally 5. 1 is copper. Then remaining 4 by 5 is copper. Remaining 4 by 5 is copper. Here, copper, zinc. 1 by 6 is copper now. Remaining how much is zinc? 5 by 6 is zinc. Okay. Now they are going to mix these, right? And so copper is going to getting mixed, and zinc is going to getting mixed. Here, how many kg of copper you are going to mix? 4 kg with 1 by 5, right? 4 kg with 1 by 5. So it is 4 into 1 by 5 plus. Here 5 kg of copper. So 5 into 1 by 6. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? 4 kg with this copper, 5 kg with this copper. Here, do it with zinc. 4 kg of 4 by 5, 4 kg of 4 by 5 plus 5 kg of 5 by 6. 5 kg of 5 by 6. Okay. It will become 4 by 5 plus 5 by 6 is 2. 4 into 4, 16 by 5. 5 into 5, 25 by 6. 5 and 6, what is the LCM? 30. So that means 6 times of this. 24 plus 5 into 5, 25 is 2. 6 into 16. 6 into 16, 60, 96 plus 125. 5 into 5, 125 divided by 30. 125 divided by 30. I'll put it here. 49 by 30. 125 plus 96, it is 221 divided by 30. In ratio, I told you, right? You need to cancel the common things. You need to cancel the common things. If you cancel the common things, 30 will get cancelled. Is it possible to divide 49 and 221 by any number? Is it possible to divide 49 and 221 by any number? Is 221 gets divided by 7? 221 7 na? 3 times 21 11. It's not getting divided. So that's all. Your final ratio is 49 divided by 221. 49 divided by 221. Okay? Is it clear? This is a one method. Are you clear or not? Are you able to find the difference between previous question and this question? Previous question, element with element. Here, this one there. Okay. Are you comfortable in multiplying this fraction and adding this fraction and all? Are you people comfortable? Yes. If it is comfortable, okay. Just I will explain one more method. Just try. Which is easy, you can follow that. I'll just tell me one more method. Okay, same thing, just a small method. Okay, listen. Listen. Copper, zinc. Copper 1 by 5 means what is zinc? Copper 1 by 5 means what is zinc? 4 by 5. So what is copper zinc ratio? 1 is to 4. What is copper zinc ratio? 1 is to 4. Okay, in second case, copper is 1 by 6, zinc is 5 by 6. So what is the ratio? 1 by 5, 1 is to 5. Okay. Are you clear? Up to this, are you clear? Okay. Now, what is the total unit? What is the total unit? 5. What is the total unit? 5. Listen, 1 plus 4. What is the total unit? Here it is 5. What is the total unit? Here it is 6. Here it is 6. Okay. To make it common, what we need to do? Multiply this by 6 and multiply this by 5. Because this total unit is 5, this total unit is 6. I want to make it as common. So multiply this with 6 and this with 5. What will happen? It is 6 is to 24. 6 is to 24. Here what will happen? 5 is to 25. 5 is to 25. Okay. Now just check the total count. Check the total count. It is 30. Here also it is 30. Okay. Listen. This is copper. This is zinc. Copper, zinc. Here how many kgs? Totally how many kgs? Here how many kgs? Totally 4 kg. Here how many kg? 5 kg. Okay. Now add the copper from both the things. Copper 4 into 6, 4 kg of 6, 24. Okay, 5 kg of 5, 25. Zinc 4 kg of 24, 4 into 24 it is 96, and 5 into 5 is 125. So 49 is to 121. 49 is to 121. 221. 49 is to 221. 49 is to 221. Okay. Instead of taking LCM here, we are taking in the first step. Instead of taking LCM here, we are taking it in the first step. Okay. As we can solve by any method, both are same only. Instead of taking here LCM, we are taking here. Okay. So which method is comfortable, you can go. First, but I want to know, out of curiosity, I want to know which is comfort for you, first one or second one. Yes, better adapt this, because this is a basic problem for a lot of problem. If you are good with this, then you can easily do the calculation. Okay. Yes. So at the end of the day, again and again I am telling, which one is okay for you, you can follow that. Okay. The next one. Let's try to get the answer. Next one. It's an easy question. A mixture of a certain quantity of milk with 16 liters of water is worth 90 paise per liter. If pure milk is worth rupees 1.08 rupees per liter, how much milk is there in the mixture? How much milk is there in the mixture? So they are going to mix, what are the quantities? They are mixing what are the quantities? They are mixing what are all the quantities? What are the things? Water and milk. Okay. What is the rate of water? What is the rate of water? Rate of water. Rate of water. Rate of water. No, da, listen. A mixture contains certain quantity of milk with 16 liters of water. That means that mixture will contain 16 liter of water. Okay, that 90 paise. Listen. I will explain this. Listen, I will explain this. They are mixing pure milk with water. They are getting mixture. That mixture will have milk plus water. Okay, this have totally 16 liters and this worth is 90 pies. Okay, this 90 pies is water value or this mixture value? This 90 pies is water value or mixture value? Yes, mixture value. Okay. What is a pure milk value? What is a pure milk value? 1.08 rupees, right? 1.08 rupees here, 90 pies. So convert rupees into pies. 1.08 rupees is equal to how many pies? 1.08 rupees is equal to how many paisa? Yes, 108 paisa. Then what is the value of water? What is the value of water? If they didn't give the rate of water, consider that as 0 rupees. Consider that as 0 rupees. Okay, so it's not 16. Consider that as 0 rupees. Okay. Listen, read the question carefully. I will explain it once again. Read the question carefully. A mixture of certain quantity of milk, with 16 liters of water. So totally how many liters they mixed? A mixture of certain quantity of milk with 16 liters of water. Okay, so totally they mixed how many liters of water? They mixed 16 liters of water. How many liters of milk? Did they give the information? How many liters of milk? If pure milk be worth, then how much milk is there? They are asking about pure milk. So do you know the weight of, liter of pure milk? No. Listen, X liter pure milk, 16 liter water. Not total mixer contains how many liter? This is X liter, this is 16 liter. Not total mixer contains how many liter? Sir, listen, here I am 2 liter, I am having 2 liter, 3 liter. If I mix, this container will have 5 liter. Okay. So I am mixing X liter and 16 liter. This container will have how many liters? X plus 16. Okay. X plus 16. Okay. Now tell me, what is the total value of the pure milk? X into 108, right? What is the total value of the pure milk? X into 108. First question we solved, right? 20 rupees per kg and it's have 3 kg. So how we find the total worth? 3 into 20. So 60 rupees. Hey, are you got this point or not? What is the total worth of pure milk? It is X liter and 108 paisa. So X into 108 pies. Okay. Plus, what is the total worth of this water? 0 into 16. What is the worth of this water? 0 into 16 equal to, what is the worth of this mixture? Only 90 paise or 90 into X plus 16? Oh God, listen, just a miniature. I want to listen. Just a miniature. I want to revise you the first question. What we done in first question, Ra? 20 rupees, 10 rupees, sorry. 15 rupees, 10 rupees, 3 kg, 2 kg. What you people done? 3 into 15, 45. 2 into 20, 65. This is the total worth we told, right? This is the total worth we told, right? Total worth of how many kg? Total worth of how many kg? 5 kg. So if you divide by 5 now, you put it as 13 rupees, right? Got it as 13 rupees, right? Yes, okay. Listen. I will once again tell you, listen. This is 13 rupees worth of how many kgs? 13 rupees worth of how many kgs? 5 kgs, right? 13 rupees worth for 1 kg. Like that, how many kgs you are having? Like that, how many kgs you are having? 5 kgs. So, can we write like this? 3 into 15 plus 2 into 10, which is equal to 13 into 5. Shall we write like this or not? Oh, this is I already explained, right? In the first question, this was be done, right? Yeah, same thing here. Same thing here. Pure milk is 108 paise. Water is 0. Mixture is 90. Here X liter. Here 16 liter. So what is the total liter? X plus 16. Same thing. 108 into X plus 0 into 16 equal to 90 into X plus 16. 90 into X plus 16. So this will get cancelled. So 108X equal to 90 into X plus 16. We can divide this by 9. So it will become 10 times. It will become 12 times. If you divide by 2, this is 5 times. This is 6 times. So 6x equal to 5x plus 80. And if you can, x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80. X is equal to 80. So what is the total amount of milk? What is the total amount of milk? What is the total amount of milk? 80 liters. What is the total amount of milk? 80 liters. Are you clear now? Are you clear now? Okay. Now go for this. Yes, listen. Listen. We have one more method. Listen. We have one more method. When we can use this method, sir? When we can use this method? 108, 0 and mix it, na? Do you know the mixture worth? In first two questions, you don't know the mixture worth. In this question, do you know the mixture value? The weightage of the mixture, the worth capacity of the mixture? Yes or no? Hey, this is pure milk, this is water. If you are mixing it, you are getting the mixture. What is the rate of the mixture? Do you know that rate? Yes. Do you know that rate? This is 108 paise, this is 0 paise, this is 90 paise, and you know the mixture rate. And you know the mixture worth. Then you can use this method. Okay. What are the things we mixing? Milk, water. What is rate of pure milk? Just listen, very simple method. What is rate of milk? What is rate of milk? Fast, fast, fast. 108 paise. What is rate of water? 0. If we mixed, what is the mixture value we are getting? What is the mixture value we are getting? 90. Super, super. Okay, now put it like this. This is the first quantity you are mixing. This is the second quantity you are mixing. This is a mixture. Okay, find it like this. 90 minus 0. What is the difference? 90 minus 0. What is the difference? 9. Super. What is the difference between 108 and 90? 108 and 90. 18. Okay. Yes, 90. This is 90 and it is 18. Okay. Find ratio for this. Is it possible to divide 90 and 18? Yes. If you divide, this is 1 time and this is 5 time. So, you need to mix. You can divide it by 18 itself. 18 5s are 90. 18 5s are 90. Okay. 5:1. That means if this is 5x time and this is 1x time. So this is 5x time and this is 1x time. Okay. This quantity is having how many liters? This quantity is having how many liters? This quantity is having how many liters? 16. Like that 5 times. 16 into 5. Like that 5 times. 16 into 5. Hey, this is 1 time da. Like this 5 times. Here it is 5:1, right? So 80 liters. 80 liters. Are you getting it or not? This is 1 time 16 liters. Then 5 times it is 18 liters. Yes. Yes. Fast, fast, fast. Now note the second question. Sorry, third question. Fast. Sorry, fourth. Okay, fourth question. How many? Wait, Kirti. I will show you. Students, kindly note this first. Make it fast. How many liters of a 90% concentric acid needs to be mixed with 75 concentric acid? Okay. Which 2% you are mixing? What are the 2% you are mixing? What are the 2% you are mixing? 90 and 75. And you are producing, one mixer is 90, another one is 75. If you mix, what is the mixture percentage? What is the mixture percentage? 78. What is the mixture percentage? 78. Okay. Do you know have you got the mixture value? Have you got the mixture worth? Have you got the value of mixture? Yeah, 78%. That is the thing, right? Hey, here they are talking about percentage. We are mixing 90% and 70%. 70%. If you mix these two, what percentage you got? Have you got that information? If you mix these two, what percentage you will got? Have you got that information? Yes. What percentage you got? 78. Okay, listen. Be careful. So first, be careful. So we are mixing 90. We are mixing 90, 75. And we are mixing 90 and 75. We are getting 78. Okay. If you got the mixture value, then find the ratio. If you got the mixture value, then find the ratio. Yes, 90 minus 78. What is the difference? 90 minus 78. 12. Put it here. Listen, 90 minus 78. Put it here. 78 minus 75. 78 minus 75. 3. Find the ratio. We can divide it by 3, right? We can divide it by 3, right? We can divide it by 3, right? So 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. Clear? Clear? Yes. That means this portion has to be 1x and this portion has to be 4x. What about the total? What about the total? This mixture? What about the total? This is 1x, this is 4x, and what about the total? 5x. What about the total? 5x. Okay. Now listen carefully, which is given and what they are asking. Which is given and what they are asking. How many liters of 90% concentric acid needs to mix it with 75 concentric acid so as to get 30 liters of 78 liter concentric acid. 30 liters of 78 liter concentric acid. Okay, 30 liters representing 1x or 4x or 5x. Tell me clearly. 30 liter of 78% concentric acid. That means 70 liter is 1x or 4x or 5x. 5x. Very good, Ram. Then 5x equal to 30 now. What is x value? 6. Okay. Now again, read the question carefully and tell me which value we need to find. Which value we need to find? How many liters of 90% concentric acid? How many liters of 90% concentric acid? 90% concentric acid is how many x? 90% concentric acid is how many x? 1x. So it is how many liter then? 6 liter. So the answer is 6 liter. The answer is 6 liter. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, I think this is the easiest method. Because they didn't give these things, then it will be easier. Okay, fast, I will do it in a fast manner. Listen, 90, 75, 78, and the result is 3, and the result is 12. So 1 is to 4. Okay, so 5 times is 30, so x equal to 6. So 1 into 6, 6, 4 into 6, 24. That's all this question. That's all, that much time only. Okay. Second one, next one. Kindly for this type of question, this is the best method. Don't go with another methods. Okay, try this. The price of the petrol is 72 liters, 72 per liter, and the price of the sprit is 40 per liter. And price of the sprit is, okay. So for example, just I will give equation alone. Example, sorry, 1 minute, I will give equation alone. I'll give equation alone. If you want, you can do. Okay, 90%, right? Okay, this is x liter. Take it as x liter. 75%, right? This is 30 minus x. Why it is 30 minus x? Totally they are given 30. Totally they are given 30. Okay, 30 into 78. This is 78%. So you have to go like this: 90x plus 30 minus x into 75, which is equal to 30 into 78. If you put like this, you will get the answer. Okay. Okay. Note this question fastly. The price of the petrol is 72 liter and the price of the spirit is 40 per liter. In what ratio petrol and spirit to be mixed such that profit after selling the mixture at was 75 rupees be 25%? 75 be 25%. Okay, can you tell me 75 rupees is cost price or selling price? Cost price or selling price? It is selling price. Okay. Price of the petrol 72 rupees. That 72 rupees is cost price or selling price? Price of the petrol is 72 rupees. Price of the spirit is 40 rupees. Cost price. Okay. Listen. Petrol, spirit, we are making as a mixture. For this we know the cost price, for this we know the cost price, but here we know only the selling price, right? Petrol, spirit, here we know cost price, here we know cost price, here we got only the selling price, correct? So first find cost price of the mixture. First find cost price of the mixture. Sir, how will you find cost price of the mixture, sir? Selling price is equal to 75 rupees. Selling price is equal to 75 rupees. Okay, selling price is equal to 75 rupees. Profit percentage is equal to 25 rupees. Find CP. From selling price, profit percentage, how will you find CP? How will you find CP? Did I explain the profit, cost price, selling price formula on that day? Did I explain the cost price, profit percentage formula on that day? Say yes or no? From that, find cost price and give me the answer. Fast. A selling price is 75 rupees. Profit percentage is 25 rupees. How will you find cost price? As I will wait for 1 minute. Can you people solve this and tell me the answer? This is what I am asking is, if selling price is given, profit percentage is given, how will you find cost price? Okay, listen. We can calculate it in two methods. Listen carefully. We can calculate it in two methods. Okay, listen. We can calculate it by two methods. Listen, first one, profit percentage formula, we know that selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. And profit percentage is 25. And profit percentage is 25. Okay. Selling price is 75. Cost price we don't know. Divided by cost price into 100. If you multiply this, now 25 Cp equal to 75 into 100. If you multiply, now it is 75 into 100 minus 100 Cp. If 100 Cp came this side, na 125 Cp is equal to 75 into 100 divided by 125. If you divide by 25, this is 4 times and this is 5 times. If you divide by 5, this is 15 times. 15 into 4, 15 into 4, 60. So what is the cost price? 60. What is the cost price? 60. So this is the regular method. This is the regular method. This is the regular method. Yes? Okay. Listen. But whenever they are giving selling price, I forget actually for which batch I gave. Did I give the cost price formula? Cost price formula. Did I give the cost price formula? It is selling price into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. 100 plus profit percentage. This is a formula. Note it down. Cost price formula. If it is profit, you have to use this formula. If it is loss, cost price is equal to selling price into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. 100 minus loss percentage. Hey, it's not a different formula. I gave right previous formula. From that I derived it for cost price. That's all. From that I derived it for cost price. That's all. Okay. Here profit or loss, pa? In this question it is profit or loss? Profit. So we need to use this formula. We need to use this formula. Okay. We need to use this formula. So selling price is 75 into 100. 100 plus profit. 100 plus what is profit percentage? 100 plus what is profit percentage? It's not 25 rupees, it is 25 percentage. 25. So 100 plus 25 it is 125. So we can divide this now 4 times, again 5 times, this is 15. So it is 60 rupees. So what is the cost price? 60 rupees. What is the cost price? It is 60 rupees. Okay. Are you clear? Now are you able to find cost price from selling price? Now are you able to find cost price from selling price? Yes. Very good. Okay. Now you are able to find it, right? Okay. Now tell me, now we are mixing what are the objects? We are mixing what are the objects? What are the things? We are mixing petrol and spirit. We are mixing petrol and spirit. Okay, what is cost price of petrol? What is cost price of petrol? 72. What is selling price of spirit? 40, 40. Okay. What is the cost price? What is the cost price of spirit? 40. What is the mixture cost price? What is the mixture cost price? 60. What is the mixture cost price? 60. Okay. Do our regular step. 60 minus 40, it is 20. 72 minus 60, it is 12. Okay. 20, 12. By what number we can divide? 20, 12. By what number we can divide? 4. If you divide by 4, it is 5:3. Divide by 4, it is 5:3. So, in what ratio we need to mixture? In what ratio we need to mix? 5:3 ratio we need to mix. 5:3 ratio we need to mix. Is it clear? Yes. Make it fast. Note the question fastly. I think we are going very slow. Yes, fast. The mixture of milk and water kept in two separate containers. The ratio of milk and water in one of the containers is 5:1, and that of the other container is 7:2. In what ratio the mixture of these two containers should be mixed together so that the quantity of milk in the new water must be 80. New must be 80. Fast. If you noted the question, inform me. Noted? Okay. Here they are mixing two quantities or they are mixing two mixers. They are mixing two elements or they are mixing two mixers. Two mixers. Okay, listen. They are mixing two mixers. So milk and water in the first mixture is 5:1. Milk and water in the second mixture is 7:2. Okay. Yes. If you add this, in the result, milk and water, milk how many percentage? If you are adding these two, right, milk how many percentage? 80 percentage. Milk 80 percentage. Now what is the water percentage? Milk 80 percentage means what is the water percentage? 20. Okay, 80-20, what is the ratio? 80-20, what is the ratio? 4:1. We can divide by 20, the ratio is 4:1. We can divide it by 20, the ratio is 4:1. That means, listen carefully, pa. 5:1, 7:2, mixed, produced 4:1. Clear? They are mixed this, and producing this. Clear? Okay. Wait. Okay, listen. We got the center value, right? So we can go for this X method. If you got the center value, you can go for this X method. Okay. We'll start with the milk or water. Your choice. Milk or water. By which angle we can put milk? Okay. What is the milk part, pa? Totally 6. Milk is 5. Now what is the fraction for milk? How is milk 80? In the question they given, Amubirana Sheikh, Amir Banu, in question they said, if it is mixed, milk has to be 8%. That is the question they gave. Listen, here it becomes 80%. Okay, in what ratio the mixture of these two containers should be added so that the quantity of the milk in new mixture has to be 80. New mixture has to be 80. Okay? Yes. Okay, listen. This is 6 out of this milk is 5, so it is 5 by 6. Here, totally 9. What is milk then? 7. So 7 by 9. Okay, you are mixing it and you are getting here milk. What is the milk proportion? What is the milk proportion? 4? 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Hereafter our usual method, right? Hereafter our usual method, right? Yes. Listen. 1 by 6. If you want to go with water now, what is water? 1 by 6. Here what is water? 2 by 9. Here what is water? 1 by 5. Go with this. Okay. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. If you take LCM, it is 30. So it is 6 minus 5, it is 1. 1 by 30. If you go like this, it is 2 by 9 minus 1 by 5, and the LCM is 45. 5 into 2, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. So it is 1 by 45 is to 1 by 30. 1 by 45 is to 1 by 30. If it came here now, it will become 30 is to 45. Wait, I will put it separately. Here 1 by 45 is to 1 by 30. So 30 will come here, 45 will come here. So what is the ratio? So what is the ratio? 2 is to 3. So what is the ratio? 2 is to 3. Okay. So this is by angle of water. Even you can put it with milk or you can put it with water. Both will give same answer. Both will give same answer. So in what ratio we need to mix? 2 is to 3. We need to mix 2 is to 3. Give me the comment. Are you people clear why we are taking 1 by 6, why we are taking 2 by 9, why we are taking 1 by 5 and all? Okay. Yes. Very good. Next, in barrel 729 ml of oil, n amount of oil is replaced by water. In a barrel 729 ml of oil, n amount of oil replaced by water. If the process continues for the 6th time, find the amount of oil will be. Find the amount of oil will be. Okay, in a barrel 729 ml of oil, a barrel 729 ml of oil, n amount of oil is replaced by water. If the process continues for 6 times, find the amount of oil will be. Okay, listen. First, listen one thing. I will tell you with small example. First, I understand what is the question it is. Okay. We'll start with 10 liter. Okay. There is a barrel and full 10 liters are oil. Full 10 liters are oil. Okay. Now what I am going to do now, I am going to take 1 liter from this. Now I am going to take 1 liter from this. Okay. If I take 1 liter, full must be, all 1 liter must be oil only, right? All one must be oil. All full 1 liter must be oil, right? Yes or no? Full 1 liter is oil. Okay. So now it will become 9 liter oil, and I took 1 liter oil outside. Okay. Now to fill the remaining thing, what I done, I am going to add some other solution. Okay, some coloring agent, whatever. Duplicate oil, you can take duplicate oil, we can take it as water, for example. Don't think like that, sir, water and oil cannot mix. Don't think like this. Okay, some thing, okay, like water, one solution, okay, water solution. I add water solution. So if I add water solution, now this barrel have 9 liter oil and 1 liter water. Are you clear? So after first step, it is have 9 liter oil. Okay, oil which one? Okay, we will take this oil, water. 9 1. Yes. Now I am going to take 1 liter from this. Now I am going to take 1 liter from this. Will all 1 liter is oil? After mixing this, now I am going to take it off 1 liter again. Is full 1 liter is oil? The full 1 liter is oil? No. If you take 1 liter now, out of 1 liter, only 900 ml is oil and 100 ml is water. Because they are in ratio 9:1. So 9 exactly that, this is exactly I am telling. 900, 100. Okay, because it is 9:1 ratio. So it will come as 9:1. Okay. Now what happened? What is the oil content now? It is 8.1 liter. What is water content now? 100 ml gone, right? It is 0.9 water. 0.9 water. Now again I am going to add 1 liter of water. So 1 liter added now. Now it will become 8.1 and 1.9. So it will become 8.1 and 1.9. Are you clear? Are you clear now? Are you understand the process? Are you understand the process? This we used to call as replacing method. Okay, if you take first time full 1 liter is water, full 1 liter is oil. Second time you will get oil plus water only. Hereafter you will get oil plus water only. Okay, if it is 1 or 2 time we can do manually. If it is 1 or 2 time we can do manually. But if it is written 4 times, 3 times and all, better you can go for formula. Better you can go for formula. Okay. So, for example, here what is the question? After 2 process we are getting 8.1 liter oil, right? After 2 process we are getting only 8.1 liter oil. Remaining are water. 1.9 liter is water. So after some process, we need to find the pure quantity. This is the formula. Pure quantity. Pure quantity is x into 1 minus x by y whole power n. Okay, x into 1 minus x by whole power n. X is initial quantity. Initial quantity. Y is removal quantity. N is number of times. N is number of times. N is number of times. This is a formula. Kindly make a note of it. To find this 8.1 liter like this, how many pure content available? Okay, so this is a formula to find this. Okay, for this question, can you tell me what is the total amount having? What is the total amount? Hey, just check this question and tell me. In this question, What is the total initial quantity? What is the initial quantity? 729. Initial quantity is 729. Okay. What is the amount of oil we are taking out? What is the amount of oil we are taking out? N. What is the amount of oil removal quantity we are taking out? N. What is the number of times? What is the number of times? 6. Number of times? 6. So apply in this formula. It is 729 into 1 minus n divided by 729 whole power 6. 1 divided by n by 729 whole power 6. Is that? Hey, sorry. Hey, sorry. Listen. Y by x. Sorry pa. Y by x. The formula is y by x, not x by y. Y by x. Hey, it is y by x. Kindly make a change. It is y by x. Kindly make a change. It is y by x. Thank you, Pranavi. Okay. Note this question, and this is a question, it is asked in your Infosys sample test. This is a question which is asked in Infosys sample test. This is a question asked in Infosys sample test. Kindly make a note of it. Fast. Noted. Questions noted. So kindly a little bit fast. Okay. Now, listen. Tell me, 8 liters are drawn off from a can filled with milk, and it is then filled with water. Okay, what is the removal quantity? What is the removal quantity? 8. 8 liters. Okay, what is the removal quantity? It is 8 liter. This operation is performed 3 more times. 3 more times. Now, totally how many times they are doing? 3 more times means totally how many times they are doing? 4 times. They are doing it 4 times. Quantity of the milk now left in the can to the total mixture. Quantity of the pure milk left in the can to the total mixture is 16:81. To the total mixture is 16:81. So what is the ratio they given? 16:81 is nothing but what is the remaining quantity of pure milk to the total quantity. Remaining quantity of pure milk to the total quantity. Are you clear? That ratio. Listen, Ra. Listen, last time I told, right, it is 10 liter of oil. After two process, it will become 8.1 liter of oil. This ratio is nothing but 8.1 divided by 10, like this. Okay, milk left divided by total. Are you clear? Are you clear that ratio? Are you clear about what the ratio they are giving? 10 liter of total oil is there. After two process, I gave example, right? After two process, it will become 8.1 liter oil. Okay, so this is the ratio. Oil left divided by total. Like that here they are giving. Okay, that is 16 is to 81. So first you need to find what is 16 is to 81. What is the ratio? 16 is divided by 81. This is milk left, pure milk left by total quantity. By total quantity. Are you able to get this? This 16 by 81 is pure milk left divided by total quantity. Yes or no? Okay. How will you find pure milk left? How will you find pure milk left? We have a formula. X into 1 minus y by x whole power n. So this is the pure milk left divided by, what is the total quantity? What is the total quantity? This is the total quantity, right? Here, in this formula. From formula, can you able to tell what is total quantity? X. So pure milk left formula, this total quantity is X, and this ratio is 16 by 81. This ratio is 16 by 81. So X will get cancelled. So it is 1 minus, what is the value of Y? What is the value of Y? 8. And X we don't know. What is the value of N? 4. What is the value of N? 4. So here 4, right? So try to write it in the power of 4. 16 can we call it as 2 power 4? 81 can we call it as 3 power 4? 16, 2 power 4 is 16 pa. 3 power 4 is 81. 2 power 4 is 16, 3 power 4 is 81. Yes. Okay. So this 4 will get cancelled. So 1 minus 2 by 3 came here, na? 2 by 3 equal to 8 by x. Solve this. 3 minus 2 divided by 3, it is 8 by x. Bring here. So it is 1 by 3 equal to 8 by x. So x equal to 24 liters. So x equal to 24 liters. Okay, this is the answer. Actually, the calculation is very simple. Okay, so to define this formula and define these things, it will take time. Okay, so once you know, whenever the question like this, they are taken off and replacing, now quantity of pure milk formula is, this is one. Quantity of pure quantity, the amount of pure thing. This is the formula. Okay, clear? And this is one of the important topic. You can expect the questions from here in Infosys. Alligation and mixtures. Alligation and mixtures, sure you will get a question. Even in data sufficiency also you may get question from here. Okay. Yes, tell me, Sheikh Afrin. How can divided by 3? Sir, I am not getting where we divided it by 3. Here we got 16 by 81, right? So I can take this as 2 power 4, this is 3 power 4. That's why we are getting this 2 power 3 power 4. And here you are getting 1 divided by 8 by x. 1 minus 8 by x. So here also 4 get cancelled out. So if 2 by 3 came this side now, 1 minus 2 by 3. And this came now, this 8 by x. So if you take LCM, it is 3 minus 2 divided by 3, 8 by x. So 3 minus 2 will become 1. 1 by 3 equal to 8 by x. If x came here, na x, then 3. 8 into 3, 24. Okay. Nandu, tell me Nandu. Hey, while explaining the formula, what I told, what is the value, what is y x determined. While explaining the formula, what I told, y is replacing the amount of milk replacing. So this replacing quantity. So read the question carefully. Here, how many liters they are taking? Read the question carefully. They are removing how many liters each time? They are removing how many liters each time, Nandu? Read the question carefully. That's why keep question with yourself. Okay, they are removing 8 liters every time. They are taking from barrel 8 liters and they are adding water. 8 liters taking out and they are adding 8 liters. They are removing 8 liters and adding 8 liters. Removing 8 liters, they are adding 8 liters. That quantity is y. Okay, Nandu? Hey, that is number of times, Ra. Number of times is 4, not 3. Listen carefully. If I eat one time and I am going to eat 3 more times, not totally how many times I ate? I ate one time and I am going to eat 3 more times, not totally how many times I ate? I already ate one time and I am going to eat 3 more times, not totally how many times I ate? 4 times. That is number of times, and each number of time, how many times they are taking? 4 times. In each time, how many liters they are taking? 8 liters. Okay, yes. Next one. Again, the next important topic, permutation and combination. Next important topic, permutation and combination. Permutation and combination. Sir, what is this, sir? Arrangements. Suddenly I am not able to get in which Telugu movie this scene came. Okay, but okay, I forgot the name. I don't know the name of Telugu movie. Okay, listen. For example, arrangements and selection. Arrangement and selection. For example, you will be having 3 letters A, B, C. You will be having 3 letters A, B, C. Or Ashok, we can take like a name. Ashok, Praveen, and universal name Raja. Ashok, Praveen, Raja. There are 3 members, Ashok, Praveen, Raja. I want to pick 2 students for industrial visit. I want to select 2 students for industrial visit. How many different combinations I can get? How many different combinations I can get? So either I can select Ashok and Praveen, or I can take Ashok and Raja, or I can take Praveen and Raja. So How many combos I can get? This is combo 1, combo 2, combo 3. What are the combos I can get? Only 3 combos. So here what I done, from 3 people I selected 2 people, right? From 3 people I selected 2 people. The process of selection is called as combination. The process of selection is called as combination. So what are the question? It's based on combination. It is selection, it is combination. So combination is selection. Combination is selection. Okay. This is the first thing. If it is process of arrangements, again same. Okay. And for example, I want to give 2 prizes. First and second prize. Okay. From ABC. How many different way I can give? Listen. First prize A, second prize B. This is one set. First prize B, second prize A. This is one set, right? These two are different, right? These two are different. First prize goes to A, second prize B. First prize B, second prize A. Same person, but the prize is getting different. Okay. Next. First prize B, second prize C. First prize C, second prize B. Okay. Third, first prize A, second prize B. First prize, C. First prize C, second prize A. So, how many patterns I am getting? 6. Here, only selection process taking place, or arranging the position also consider. Only the selection of students is matter, or arranging the position is also matter. Yes, arranging the position is also matter. So permutation is based on arrangements. So whenever you are doing arrangements, that comes under permutation. And it's have word arrangement, letter arrangement, objects arrangement. So different types of arrangements are there. Okay. Yes. Most probably, and one of the most important type is the words arrangement. Okay, letter arrangement. Okay, so we'll start with the letter arrangement. Okay, what is that letter arrangement, sir? For every question example, I will explain it in a detailed manner. Okay, explain it in a detailed manner. Okay, then we'll go with the shortcut. For example, take T. Okay. How many letters in T? 3 letters in T. Okay. What are the letters? A, T, E, A. First arrange them in alphabetical order. A, E, T. First arrange them in alphabetical order. A, E, T. Okay, that is the first word. A, E, T. That is the first word. Second, keep A here. Just shuffle this. E, T, then T, E. A, T, E. Okay, then third one. Done with A, right? Then take E. If you take E now, what is the remaining two? It is A, T. Fourth one. E, this shuffling. T, A. Fifth one. T, E, A. Sixth one. T, A, E. then shuffling TEA. So how many words we can form? Then how many words we can form? 6. How many words we can form? 6. Okay. This we used to call it as arrangement. This we used to call it as arrangement. Listen. How many letters here? How many letters here? 3 letters. So if you are arranging 3 letters now, you will get 3 factorial things. You will get 3 factorial words. What is 3 factorial? 3 into 2 into 1. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. Are you clear? Are you clear up to this? Are you clear up to this? Yes. Okay. Listen. Listen. Now the first question. First question. How many words? How many words can be formed from? How many words can be formed from letters of the word? Letters of the word. How many words can be formed from letters of the word tiger? How many words can be formed from the letters of the word tiger? Tiger have how many letters? The word tiger have how many letters? 5 letters. The word tiger have how many letters? 5 letters. So it is 5 factorial. It is 120. So we can form how many words? 120 words. Okay. What is 5 factorial? It is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 fours are 20. 20 into 3, 60. 60 into 2, 120. Okay. Okay. Sir, is it the only method? Listen, I will explain few more things. Listen. So, how many letters pa? How many questions pa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5. Okay. Shall we start from here? Shall we start from here or here? Okay, if we start from here now, listen. Here, how many letters are possible? How many letters are possible? T may come, I may come, G may come, E may come, R may come. So how many letters possible? 5 letters. Okay, select any one letter. Select any one letter. For example, if I put T here. If I put T here. Okay, you take I, yeah. Okay, I put I here now. Here, how many letters possible? Here, how many letters possible? T, G, E, R. How many letters possible? 4. Suppose if I put R here now, here how many letters possible? T, G, E. So 3. Suppose if I put T here now, here 2, 1. That's how it is get 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Clear? That's how it is getting 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That's why we are putting 5 factorial. Okay, number of choices at each place. Number of choices at each place. Number of choices at each place. Okay, next. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me for school? Super word. School. How many words can be arranged from letters of the word school? Tell me. How many words can be arranged from the letters of the word school? How many words can be arranged from the letters of the word school? How many letters pa? How many letters? 6 letters. 6 letters means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letter means 6 factorial. It is 720. Listen. Listen. Sir, here it is 5 letters are 5 factorial. So it is 120. Here 6 letters are 6 factorial. It is 720. 720, right? 720 or 120? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 720, right? Okay, listen. But is this 6 letter and this 5 letter and this 6 letter are same category? Here how many letters are there? 5 letters. All 5 letters are T-I-G-E-R. All 5 letters are different. All 5 letters are different. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. All 6 letters are different. No, Swati. Listen. 120 is not right answer. Is all 6 letters are same? Sorry, all 6 letters are different? No. Is there repetition? Yes. Okay. A letter came how many times? 2 times. So divide this by 2 factorial. Okay. You don't consider this as a 1. Okay. Divide by 2 factorial. How many letters? 6 letters. Repetition? Yes. So repeat by 2 factorial. Okay. So 720 divided by 2 into 1, 2. If you divide, it is 360. Are you clear? Is it clear? Super. Third one. College. Hey, just tell me the answer in factorial. That's enough. No need to go for these things and all. Mohan Kumar, for which question you are telling the answer? Okay, listen. College, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many letters? 7 letters. So it is 7 factorial. Whatever the letters, first put that factorial. Okay. Is 7 letters are different? No. Repetition there? Yes. Which letter? Repeated? O and E. You go with individual. E how many times repeated? 2 times. For that 1, 2 factorial. L repeated how many times? 2 times. For that 1 factorial. So 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 7 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Can we put 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial? So can we write it as 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial? Can we write this as 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial? Yes, listen. No. Listen, Ra. 2 factorial into 3 factorial don't take as 6 factorial. It is wrong. Don't take this like, don't take like this. What is 2 factorial? 2. What is 3 factorial? 6. 2 into 6, it is 12. 2 into 6, it is 12. Okay, don't multiply factorial, don't add factorial. Listen, sir, 2 factorials are plus 7 factorials are, can we take it as 9 factorial? Can we take it as 9 factorial? No, sir, it is wrong. Okay, so keep individually. 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Keep individually. So it is 50/40 divided by 2 into 2. That is the answer. 50/40 divided by 2 into 2. So we can divide this by 4. 1 times 10, 2, 24, 6. 1260. 1260 answer. Yes, correct, Pravina. Very good. But instead of multiplication, you done a small mistake. But you got the concept. Very good, Pravina. Shall we end with one more question? Shall we end with one more question? This thing? Okay. Medicine. Just tell me in medicine. Tell me in factorial. That's enough. Tell me in factorial. Tell me in factorial. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factorial. E repeated 2 times 2 factorial. I repeated 2 times 2 factorial. That's all. That's all. Okay, leave it. Then fast. We need to cover at least 2 more methods. How many words can be formed from the letters of the word? How many words can be formed from the letters of the word? We'll start with tiger. So, vowels come together. Vowels come together. Vowels come together. Okay, vowels come together. Okay. Now, till now, do you have any condition? In previous questions, do you have any conditions that this should come this like any condition? No. But here there is a condition. What is the condition? Vowels must come together. Vowels must come together. Now, I and E must sit together. There is nobody will come between them. Okay. Nobody is allowed to sit between them. Okay. Both I and E should come always together. Okay. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Tiger, right? What are all the vowels? In tiger, what are all the vowels? I and E. I and E. Okay. Take vowels separately. Take vowels separately. What are the vowels? Take separately. Consider them as single letter. Consider them as single letter because they are not allowed, so nobody is allowed to go between them. So consider them as a single letter. Okay. What are the remaining letters? T, G, R. Now can you able to tell me how many letters are there? Now can you able to tell me how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many letters? 4 letters. 4 letters arranged in how many ways, sir? 4 letters arranged in how many ways? 4 letter arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial. Okay. Then what you need to check? Is there any repetition? First you need to check that. Is there any repetition? No. Then leave it. Okay. 10. Hey, listen. It's not end here. How many letters you are taking as a single letter? How many letters you are taking as a single letters? 1, 2. How many letters? 2 letters. So into 2 factorial. Into 2 factorial. Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point? Listen. I will repeat it again. I and E are vowels. So take as a single letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. So 4 factorial. I and E I take it as a 2 letter. So 4 factorial into 2 factorial. 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear? Shall I give one more? Shall I give one more? Why not? We can take medicine itself. We can take medicine. Sorry. Machine. We can take machine. Okay. Machine. Machine. Vowels come together. Tell me the answer. Sir, I and E can also written as E and I. So we have two possibility, right? Kunchala, Veena, that's why at the end we are multiplying it by 2 factorial. Veena, are you getting the point? Veena, are you there? Are you getting the point? Okay, ba, listen. Machine. Okay, what are all the vowels? A, I, E. What are all the vowels? A, I, E. Then M, C, H, N. M, C, H, N. Okay. Now, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many factorial? 5 factorial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many factorial? 5 factorial into. So how many letters we consider as a single letter? 1, 2, 3. How many letters we consider as a single letter? 3 letters. So 3 factorial. 5 factorial into 3 factorial. So 5 factorial is 120. 3 factorial is 6. So it is 720. It is 720. Okay? Is it clear? Yes. Shall we try one more? I think this is the last of this model. Shall we try one more? Last of this model. Okay. Listen carefully and give me the right answer. Try this college. College. Sir, why you are not leaving college, sir? College. Listen carefully. What are the vowels in college? What are all the vowels in college? O, E, E. If E came twice, na, you need to consider as a 2 letter. Ra. Don't take it as a single letter. O, E, E. Okay. Then C, L, L, G. O, E, E, C, L, L, G. Okay, listen. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters means 5 factorial. Can you tell me these 5 letters are different letters or any repetition? These 5 letters are different letters or repetition. Which letter repeated? Which letter repeated? Yes, here L is repeated, so divided by 2 factorial. L is repeated divided by 2 factorial. Listen, now I am talking about these 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This whole I am taking as a single letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this, these 2 letters are repeated. So 2 factorial. Clear? Clear? Now I didn't consider E pa, I consider only L because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am taking this as a single letter. Okay. Now go inside. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many letters here? 1, 2, 3. How many letters here? 3 letters. 3 factorial. Is the 3 letters are different? Is these 3 letters are different? These 3 letters are different? No. E is repeated 2 times. So 2 factorial. E is repeated 3 times. 2 times. So it is 2 factorial. Are you clear? Are you clear? Simple. I will explain it again. Fast. Listen carefully. What are all the vowels? O, E, E is the vowels. O, E, E is the vowels. Okay, this is packed. Consider as a single letter. This is packed. C, L, L, G. Now how many letters? Now how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many letters? Yes, 4 letters, 5 letters, whatever may be vowels, you have to coming together, consider as a single letter. Coming together, consider as a single letter. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factorial. 5 letters, 5 factorial. This is first letter, second letter, third letter, fourth letter, fifth letter. In this 5 letter, is any letter the same? Is any letter repeated? L is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. L is repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. Into. Okay. Now go inside this. 1, 2, 3. In 1, 2, 3, how many letters? There 3 letters. So 3 factorial divided by. Repeated how many times? 2 times. So 2 factorial. Clear? Clear? Yes. So I think I planned for the question asked in model paper. So I'll explain it tomorrow because I don't want to rush. Okay. I'll give one more question. Try to give the correct answer. Try to give the correct answer. Find the answer for medicine. Medicine. Same. How many words can be formed from the letters of the word? How many words can be formed from the letters of the word? How many words can be formed from the letters of the word? So that vowels come together. Listen, condition is vowels come together. Condition is vowels come together. Condition is vowels come together. First, tell me the answer in factorial, then we convert. Tell me the answer in factorial. What are all the vowels? Pravina, very good. What are the vowels? E, I, E. So consider them as a single letter. M, D, C, N. M, D, C, N. Okay, how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 letters means 5 factorial. 5 letters means 5 factorial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters means 5 factorial. Do you have any repetition in this 5 letter? Do you have any repetition in this 5 letter? No. into 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So four letters, right? Four letters arranged in 4 factorial. Wait. Okay. Is this four letter are same? Is this four letter are same? Sorry, four letters are different. Four letters are different. No, we have a repetition. We have a repetition means I 2 times so 2 factorial, E 2 times so 2 factorial. So 5 factorial is 120 into 4 factorial is 24 divided by 2 into 2 gets 6. 120 into 6, 720. So the answer is 720. So the answer is 720. Are you clear? Here 2 factorial come pa. Be careful. Hey, listen, Rao. First starting itself, you find that I 2 times so 1 2 factorial, E 2 times 1 2 factorial. So in denominator, you will get 2 factorials. Yes. How is permutation and combination topic? How is allocation and mixture? How was the day? No, Vinay. I think you will be having class up to 11. Friday. Up to Friday. Okay, so tomorrow we'll start with again the permutation and combination. So I will go with a few things. Okay, and I will explain the question which was present in the what you can say sample test also. Keyboard question. People try. I will explain tomorrow because suppose if anyone had a doubt now, it will take a lot of time. So I don't want to rush. Okay. Yes, try a lot, and as I gave the information and gave the information, Wednesday, Thursday, we will discuss data interpretation and data sufficiency. Data interpretation and data sufficiency. Sir, why you are Megatop? Already we shared a lot of time the feedback link. Just check. Okay, just now in message I saw the feedback link. Okay, so for data sufficiency, we need information about all the topic. So Tuesday and Wednesday we revise quants topic, some more quants topic. So Thursday we will discuss data sufficiency and data interpretation. Friday, so what are the topics we will go for overall overview. Okay, this is the plan as of now. Okay, sir. Shall we wind up? Host sir, shall we wind up?
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
Sorry, sir.
We have
Sir.
transform origins. We have few kinds of transform origins.
Hello, sir. Do you want to convey any information, sir?
Top left.
No, sir.
No. Shall we wind up?
Okay. Wind up, sir.
So let's
Okay. Thank you, students. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you, one and all. Please fill feedback form. Both and Airmeet and YouTube users.
You are so much of interest to join in the session of JavaScript. Right? So I would like to wind up the session by starting with JavaScript concepts. Is that okay for you? So this is all about the CSS concepts. We completed